Hi, this is Dr. Christopher Burton, and I'm here to help you understand the business of medicine. We're going through the 21 irrefutable laws of leadership, and today we're on number 19, the law of timing. The law says when to lead is as important as what to do and where to go. Timing is often the difference between success and failure in an endeavor. It is true whether you're talking about comedic timing in a movie, or calling timeout in sports, or when making a cut in surgery. If you don't have good timing or an awareness of when the right time has come, you may make a serious error. In a movie, it can result in box office failure. In a sports event, it could result in a loss. But in medicine, it may have a negative outcome on someone's health. Physicians innately understand the law of timing when it comes to health, even if we haven't spent much time thinking about it. However, we don't always understand how to apply the law of timing to leading people. As a leader, you may have an outstanding vision, you may have a great plan, you may take the right action, but it still might not lead to success. So you're left asking yourself what happened. The law of timing shows that the wrong action at the wrong time leads to disaster. The right action at the wrong time brings resistance. The right action at the right time brings ultimate success. Do you agree with that? Have you experienced it in your own career? Let me illustrate with something you may be able to relate to. Husbands, have you ever walked in and asked your wife, what happened to your hair, after she had a bad trip to the salon? Right, that would be a disaster. Saying the wrong thing at the wrong time. What if you bought her a new vacuum to replace the one that broke? That would be a good thing, right? Well, it might be, unless you got it for her birthday present. Her enthusiasm might be a little less than what you would expect. However, if on a particularly challenging day you offer to take care of the kids for a couple of hours so she can have a warm bath and relax undisturbed, well, that would probably be success. Sure, those are just some humorous anecdotes to demonstrate the principles of timing, but I think you can see how they work. It's the same for leaders. Disaster and success are usually fairly obvious when they occur, so I'm not going to spend a lot of time talking about those two. Frustration, though, often arises for leaders when they are doing the right thing or offering the right solution to a problem, and they're getting resistance from their team or organization. In those situations, we often fail to see that it is the wrong timing that is causing the pushback, not the idea or the action. Timing is something that can be developed through practice and by being aware of the situation around you. Are your people ready for change? Are they open to trying a new idea? If not, then maybe it's time to consider another approach. Get feedback from your team and hear where they're coming from. Sometimes it just takes providing them with more information or even simple reassurances, such as that the new change won't result in them losing their job, for example. Gathering that information before launching into new changes and addressing their concerns ahead of time will allow you to create the right time to take action. To sum it up, timing takes understanding of the situation, confidence in what needs to be done, intuition when reading your team, maturity to have the right motivation, and preparation to create the right conditions. With these factors in place, you can master the law of timing. Up next, we're going to talk about the law of explosive growth. Until then, here's to your success.